Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and I am working as an intern in Lexus and Company. Today we will discuss Civil Procedure Code 1882. The code is divided into two parts. The first part contains 158 sections and second part contains first schedule which has 51 orders and rules. The section provided provision related to general principle of jurisdiction, whereas the orders and rules prescribe procedure and method that govern civil proceeding in India. History of the Civil Procedure Code. Uniformity to the Civil Procedure. Legislative Council of India enacted Code of Civil Procedure 1858, which received an assent in the Governor General of 23rd of March 1859. The code, however, was inapplicable to the Supreme Court in the Presidency towns and to the Presidency small courts. It did not meet challenges and was replaced by the Code of Civil Procedure Code 1877, but still it did not fulfill the requirements of the time and large amendments were introduced in 1882. The Code of Civil Procedure 1882 was introduced with the passing of time. It is felt that it needed flexibility for timelines and effectiveness. To meet these problems, Code of Civil Procedure 1908 was enacted, though it has been amended number of times. It has worst used the test time.